Okay, let's look at number 11 on page 10. 2 heterozygous yellow tulips are crossed. 84 seeds are produced by the female plant. If all 84 germinated and grew, how many would be expected to be yellow and how many would be expected to be blue? So they didn't tell us specifically which one's dominant and which one is recessive. Or did they? Look at this. They said that the yellow tulips are heterozygous. Well, if they say that any trait is heterozygous, that means that is the dominant trait. So yellow is dominant to blue. So I'm going to use a lowercase y to represent blue. The 2 heterozygous tulips are crossed. So those are my genotypes for the parents. And we want to find how many of their offspring were yellow and blue. So we need to put our genotypes or gametes from those into a Punnett square. Okay, and we have 1 blue. So it's going to be 3 yellow to 1 blue, or in other words, 75% are yellow, but we can't use 75% in an equation. So we're going to convert that to a decimal and write it as 0.75. You could also write it as 3/4, a fraction. Now we're using this number 84 to figure out how many of those seeds are going to be yellow. So 0.75 times the total number of seeds gives us how many yellow seeds there are. Well, yellow plants. Okay, so there's going to be 63 yellow. We do the same for our blue, which is 0.25. Multiply that by 84 to get 21 are going to be blue. So again, anytime you're given or asked to find how many, you're going to multiply the number that are in your Punnett square, so 0.75, by the total in the population.